We are 30 minutes into our trip cross country into a blizzard.
We got the plows on our left.
Into a blizzard. There's a DOT truck pushing an
You may want to
ATV
try to move
uphill.
right a little bit.
Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh yeah, let's move across the country. Yeah, let's do that in January. Yeah, a 30-foot trailer. Yeah, sounds like a great idea. Let's do that. Freaking 30, 40 mile an hour winds out here or some shit. Well, the trip across country is continuing to be, shall we say, adventurous. Here we are in Utah, heading towards Denver. And as you can see, snow, 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 and more snow. That is the weather report for today. Driving in a winter wonderland. Driving across country at just under 40 miles an hour. Grindle passed out. Mika passed out. Now Colorado's giving it to us. I don't know where we are. I think we're just outside of Dinosaur, Colorado, and this is just crazy. What do you think, Mika? So me and my father got stranded in Steamboat Springs. You can see our vehicles over there. Snowing pretty heavy. I think we've got about 8 inches on the ground with no place to stay. Every single hotel booked. Truck was sliding all over the place. You can kind of see plows off in the distance, maybe running. And we had nowhere to go and didn't know what we were gonna do until these amazing people from Love People Church, I think that's the name of the church, I'll have to check and make sure, saved our asses and literally gave us a place to stay. God bless. Mika, come here. What is it? Right here. Right here. What is it? Go. Go. Go for it. Go for it. Come here.